An intermediate to deep magnitude 4.8 earthquake was reported after midnight near Bucaramanga, Santander, Colombia. According to the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, the quake hit on Tuesday, March 14, 2023, at 12:07 a.m. local time at an intermediate to considerable depth of 152 kilometers. The strength of the earthquake may have been tempered by its relative great depth below the surface, which makes it feel weaker in absolute terms. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.